Meow. I'm here to show you about making face masks from disposable shop towels for your indisposable humans. Let's take a look. That blue shop towel looks legit and has pretty good filtration, better than regular paper towels. There it is, big blue roll. Auto parts store. That's where you get those sometimes, yeah. Meow. You gotta unfold that paper clip and refold the ends. You unfold it, you refold it. Keeps you busy during these trying times. It's like a craft, but you can wear it on your face. You can give it to people. We gave a whole big bag of these to a friend. We're like, here. Please, friend, wear this mask. For safety. Now, she's going real fast here, but you see that fold? You go back and you forth and back and you forth, all the way up to the top. That looks like more 3/4 of an inch. Maybe that inch is aspirational. I like to tear up paper towels. I like this part the best. You just tear into that. Rawr. Now those rubber bands, you don't want to staple them. You want to use the staples to hold them in place. There you go, you get them in each end. You want those rubber bands to be long enough they don't hurt your ears. That's the bottom side. I'm going to put that under your chin, paperclip over your nose. Don't pull your mask down while you're wearing it. Take it on and off by the ears only. There's a right and a wrong way to wear a mask, but don't trust a cat to tell you. Meow. Okay, so now you know another way of making a mask. That's pretty great, huh? Meow.